sort that out by saying that. Turn the AC back on. Alright, so I wanted to talk about some things that I dislike about being a car girl. The North American Subaru Impreza Owners Club page, right, all those forums, you can find me scrolling through those forums for hours. You can find me watching Engineering Explained videos or videos on how engines work. You can see me, I spent hours on Reddit. I spend hours, now that I started tracking my car, I'm looking into what tires I want, 200 tread wear, and like all this fun stuff, and just I could spend all day at a track and all day learning about this stuff, and I think it's really awesome. But with this industry comes a lot of male ego. And awkward, hello sir. But yeah, the men and the belittling, and I think that a lot of men don't even try to be patronizing, and their comments just come off degrading and, well, patronizing. And you could mean well, and I understand that men roast men, and like I want to come in and say like, oh, I want to be treated like a car bro and fit in with your gang and your group and whatever, but at the end of the day, I have feelings. You can't roast me like your average car guy and talk to me like you do in the shop, and I haven't quite figured out if that is a me issue or an industry issue, but I'm slowly figuring out that some of these comments don't just roll off my skin, and I can't hold my own, and everything feels like an attack, and I definitely am the first to throw up a wall and perceive it as attack and get defensive. And I do apologize if you guys have talked to me and I have come off that way, but unsolicited advice in my DMs is not the way to do it, because I have no problem asking for advice, but unsolicited advice just hits different, you know? It just really fucking hits different. So, yeah, I really don't know what this vlog is or what I'm doing here. I'm sitting here and rambling about God knows what. But girls, if you're interested in cars, for the love of God, do it for you. Do it because you want to learn about cars. You don't need a guy to do anything. You literally do not. Like, I have my jack in here. My jack handle slides over any ratchet and breaks loose any bolt I need. It is leverage and patience and doing your research. I 100% think that you don't need a man. You don't need to model with your car. You don't need to show tits, and I say that again as I'm sitting here in a crop top, but I don't have tits to show, so I can sit here and say that. But you don't, your thumbnail doesn't need to be tits. It doesn't need to be attention grabbing shit. Be legit, gain respect that way, and like wrench and drive. Like, we're here for the cars, right? We're not here for the fucking attention. So get out to the track, do this because you want to do it, and keep it real.